Howdy folks, Satish here. I'm going to go ahead and present you guys with something called Zoya. Zoya allows you to do three things with one software without downloading anything on your computer or your website. Let me show it to you. So number one is recording audio. So I can record an audio, or I can let my customers record an audio from my website with a floating tab like this, or I can also put a widget like this on my website as well. Great to have feedbacks, and if you have podcasts, things like that as well. And up here, you can record things yourself for your own purpose. So for example, I can click on create a new recording. I have an option of audio. If I do audio and click on start recording, what's going to happen is it'll record the audio. Simple as that, right? And you can save that audio like this on your library. Simple as that. And it will be saved up here. Cool. Now let me show you another demo that you can do. So let's go to video. And I can do start recording a video. So two options. Option number one is recording your own video, like this video that you see of my face. You can record a video like this. Or option number two is recording screen recording. So let me show you to you. Clicking on screen recording, and you'll be able to record your entire your computer screen, your application windows, or your Chrome window as well. So all of that directly from here. So your customers can send you feedback, can send you information, things like that directly from your website, any website. So HTML, PHP, any CRM, WordPress, ClickFunnels, Instapages, PageView, whatever. It works on all of it, and also mobile as well. So simple as that. So let me show it to you. An example. So I'm going to click here. Let's pretend a customer sent you start recording. So hello, thank you so much, blah blah blah. And I can go ahead. Thank you so much. And I can go ahead and put a customer name, so customer demo, and you can make this, so this demo purpose here. I can click send here and send, right? And you'll get an email as well. And on top of that, you'll also see it on your computer as well, directly right here. Very cool. Now, next up, what we can do is we can come up here and we can take a look at our inbox. We can look at our sent one. So if I got one right here, I can go ahead and see I got one right here. I can go ahead and reply to it, to my to whoever sent it to me directly from here. Option, right? I can record a audio, video, whatever I want. So for example, let's say somebody says, hey, can you show me how to do this and that? And you can send them a recording with the screen saying, hey, do this, or it could be a sales tool as well. So let's say a potential client is asking you, hey, how much is this going to cost you? Now, what if that customer gets a response back with a video, your video, automatically? That's going to make it look much more trustable, okay? Screen recording can be used for some demos, issues, and things like that as well. An audio could be just a message, right, that you can play on a podcast, things like that. Videos can be added on as your testimonials, things like that. You can do so much with it, and to be honest, this will sell like hot cakes if you try to sell it to somebody else as well. So simple as that. And you can of course download it, bookmark it, delete it, send it to people, and of course your own recordings are stored here in library here for you. Now if we go to install, you'll learn how to put it in your website. Very simple, very easy, good tutorials here. Let's go to settings, right? And I can go and create a new widget, okay? And I can call my widget called demo XYZ, and demo XYZ. You get the idea, right? So inline means like this, inside a page, okay? Floating dialog means that it's going to be floated like this on the side, or you can change the position as well. Let's do dialog. That seems much more interactive than inline one. More I can show you more things. So you come up here and you'll be able to do a couple of things here. Keep in mind that on your dashboard, this button, right, it's not an actual working button. This is just to show you the user interface. Some of you guys might be like, oh, it doesn't work. It's not supposed to work. It's just there to show you what the part will look like. So keep that in mind, okay? So you'll come up here, you can make changes. So and I'm going to change it to, well, I can change it to whatever color I want. and things like that. Whatever, right? Just for demo purpose. See, I can do feedback like this if I wanted to. Simple. And I can also go ahead and let me go to recording XXX. As you can see, it's right here. And I can make changes, welcome message, thank you message, things like that. Let me show you the one that I've already done up here. So feedback, thank you message, welcome message, all of it is right here, as you can customize pretty much everything about it. You can also go ahead and let people opt into a list. Very cool. And this is your code right here. You can put it up on your site. Very simple, very easy. I've explained more about it on the tutorial as well. But yeah, so that is it. So the cost for the software, actual cost is about $29 per month, but we're gonna go ahead and give it to you for a one-time fee, lifetime. So when you go ahead and buy it from us, it's gonna look something like this, a lifetime plan. So I'm so excited to offer this to you. Read the entire sales page. If you have more questions, please let us know. Thank you so much.